Hi, Unboxing over here. Here we have complete Hunger Games on 4K Steelbook from Germany. They all have Dolby Atmos, and aspect ratio is 240:1. It says region B on the Blu-ray. Let's take a look inside. It's from Studio Canal. There we go. Some information there. It's quite nice, matte finish. Spine is in German. The mockingbird. So all discs are stacked on top of each other. There's the Blu-ray stack. Catching Fire Mockingjay Part 1, Mockingjay Part 2. So Blu-ray disc, Hunger Games. Catching Fire, Mockingjay Part 1, and Part 2. So there's the gang. So there we have Hunger Games complete on 4K Steelbook. Please like and subscribe. Be back soon with more. See you then. Bye.